hard to save, hard to get started, but you know, they work hard.
Money Pro Tour. Where's your heart come from? We were just chatting about that because, you know, it is very difficult these days to save money. I think it's harder to save money. You know, my niece is out in Denver. It's extremely expensive to live out there. My dad grew up on a farm, and that's just, you know, you save money and you don't overspend, and that was just ingrained into me. My parents didn't give me a choice. You have to get up in the morning. I mean, you have to take care of what's out there. You don't have any choices.
They do learn a lot of that from their parents. It's about that work ethic. To get up, go to work hard.
Yeah.
And you can achieve what you want to if you do.
If my dad he was just real firm about where things stood, and I followed him and paid my own bills, and so yeah. But I think it's very difficult for the young people to have a family and to raise kids, and education's expensive.
What if you went a week, 2 weeks, a month without working out right now?
Well, you'd have to tie me up, you know, I would not, yeah, it's not a good thing, you know. Yeah, I mean, it's just a part of who I am. Just like saving and not getting a credit card and all that stuff. It's just ingrained into you.